Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a tutorial how I do my hair with the crimper. Now my crimper looks, my crimper looks like this. Okay, I got this at Walmart. It's on, so I'm trying not to touch it. I got mine at Walmart, I think for, I'm not sure this is the right price, so don't get mad if it's not what I said. I think it was like this, no. It was like $15.49 or I think it was a little higher, I'm not sure. So yeah, it looks like that. There's two bars right here, and then on this side it looks like there's like one in the middle and there's two. Now you simply just split this, and you have to start at the top and then work your way down. It does take a while, so I'm only going to be doing my top half, not underneath. So yeah, let's get started. I'm going to be putting the music in a minute when I'm done doing. Sorry, I cannot talk today. I'm going to put on some music when I'm doing it, so I don't get bored. Okay. I have a mirror right here, so I'll be looking sometimes, but okay, I'm going to say this once. Do not, I repeat, do not joke about my nose. Tell me how big it is. I know it's big. I know it's very long. Do not, like, comment below and me, oh my gosh, your freaking nose is gross, blah, blah, this, that. It's not cool. If you don't have anything nice to say, don't say it, please. I'm sick and tired of everybody telling me, oh, you have a long nose, blah, blah, this, that. It's like, I know. Okay, got it, people? Thanks. I'm getting really rude comments that my nose is big. You think I don't know it? Sorry, just gets me mad. I got makeup on my thing. My hair's very soft because I took a shower, so yeah. Sorry if this video is long. It's not my fault. Okay. My hair was up, so I might have some weeks. Okay. Now that my hair is, so you can put my fingers through it. Okay. Now I'm gonna be up close. So yeah. Okay. Oh, sorry, I just messed it up. Okay. I'm gonna start by doing this half, and then I'll work on that half. Yeah, gotta make sure this looks okay. Okay. I'm taking about, you look and go like this, about, I'm not sure this is an inch, but as long as it makes to where, here, I'll do an example of not so much. Do it to where like it doesn't clamp down all the way. Don't do it like that. Oops. So I have it on high, so it looks better. Guys, just mess that up. But take as much. Okay, and then just leave it there for, I'd say as long as you think it'd be done. Just make sure you don't burn your hair. Sorry, it looks really bad. So you make the curl. Oops. So yeah, that's what it should look like. I will brush it afterwards because it does look better brushed. Sorry if you can't see that good. I guess I wouldn't be really doing a tutorial, but I don't want to say do it showing you how I do it. I don't know what it would be. Please no rude comments. Johnny Boy, whatever your name is, no more of that. I'm getting sick and tired of people telling me, oh, I'm so ugly and so like that. Because you know what? I know inside I'm not. Can't hurt me. Sorry. Okay, since I'm waiting for this, how was ever, oh yeah, I have a 4-day weekend coming up. I guess I had an early release day. I go to Pacific Middle School here in Washington, or Vancouver, Washington. And just to tell you, if you ever go to that school, there's a lot of douchebags there. If you ever meet a kid named Aiden and you're a girl, don't fall for him. I have. He's my ex, I guess you could say. We dated for like probably a week the most. I'm not a whore, I'm a hoe, or slut. Don't comment below anything. But yeah. Yeah. If you've ever meet a kid named Jesse Thatch, I'm sorry. He's my ex too. We dated for like 4 months. Or if you count all the days that we weren't, like, cause when we broke up, we still acted like we were dating. Cause I don't know why we broke up. We broke up because, I don't know why. It's just like, it wasn't, I was like brand new to the dating thing. I didn't know how it worked. So I guess I just like broke up with him. And then we got back together. He asked me out. So I ended up just going back out with him. So yeah. Yeah, and then we recently broke up. Like about, well, not recently. I want to say recently. We broke up about probably 7 months ago. Because he cheated on me at a party. Like, he asked me if I wanted to go, and I said no because I trust him, you know. And every girlfriend wants to trust their boyfriend that they won't cheat on a party. It was a huge party though. I would understand. I mean, but I wouldn't like go around just kissing everybody. He made out with a chick for about probably 23 minutes. Yeah, 23. I didn't find out for like 2 days. I didn't know about it for 2 days. He tried telling me I made off, but that didn't work out because my best friend was with us, and like he didn't say anything. He was silent. He just like didn't tell me, and then when we got back to school, everybody's like, Kaylee, you know, your boyfriend your Jesse cheated on you, blah, blah. I was like, what? And like, I kind of screamed I dropped the F-bomb, and like, everybody in the cafeteria, like, looked at me like I was crazy, and like, yeah, so my friend took me out to the track, and we like just talked and stuff like that. I was crying, and I called my mom, and it was just crazy. And like, my friend Anna went over and got him, and you know, took him to me, and like all of our friends came, because they had knew about it before me, and nobody told me it was a bad idea. So we're like sitting on the bleachers, and I'm crying. He's like has like a pretty freaking sad face on him, and he's kind of crying. I'm like, oh my gosh. So like I ended up just breaking up with him in front of like everybody, and then days after like he was just being the biggest jerk to me. Everybody's like, you should get back together with him. You should get back. I'm like, no, I'm good. So yeah, and now we like hate each other, but Valentine's Day was like 2 days ago, because it's like, it is, whoops, it's the 15th today? Yeah, and I have Valentine's Day in Colorado. If you're watching this, I love you and I miss you. Wish we could go out. Yeah, but and like it was awkward because I sit by him in my second period, so it's like wonderful, and it was just awkward, and his Valentine was so, not to diss anybody, but she was just not like his type. I mean, I know his type, and like every girl he dates is blonde, I am a blonde. I'm originally blonde, but I dyed my hair brown. So I think people were calling me stupid blonde, and bad names, and so yeah, just because I was blonde. So I changed my hair color. I dyed underneath black, and so yeah. Now everybody's telling me I should go back to blonde. And I'm like, no, I don't want to be called a, like, dumb blonde again. And they're like, we won't. I'm like, yeah, right. So now everybody's just like, bad, get your treated. I'm not really, I'm supposed to be going back to blonde. You don't know what to do, but pretty sure I'll go back soon. I'm thinking about changing my hair color. Okay, so the finishing product. I'm going to brush it, kind of, to make it a little bit neater. Because that's what I do, make it better. Okay, now you should. Okay, mine. Okay, just to tell you, with my hair, I don't know if it'll work for you guys, but this doesn't come out for about. It's still wavy, it's like wavy, but this doesn't come out for like. Last time I did it, it didn't come out for a week. So like every time I take a shower, yes, I do take showers. I take one every 3 days. Like I'll take one like Monday, after the weekend, because I'll take one Friday, and then I'll wait Saturday and Sunday because I have really good hair. I got that from my parents, my grandparents. I have really good hair, and it doesn't get all greasy, it doesn't get gross. Like I do take showers a lot, I do, and I had damage in my hair because of that. If you take too many showers, it just gets too dry. And so I take one, and I took one like yesterday, so my hair is like really soft. If you were here and you felt it, it's just soft. You see all the shiny. But anyways, yeah, and this usually stays in for like a while. Every time I like take a shower or whatever, it stays. So like I have to really like make sure it didn't like come back in. But yeah, and so yeah, sorry that looks bad. But maybe that's what it is. Yeah, it's pretty. That's cute. So yeah, and like I have a curler too, so I'll show you that in a minute. I think you've seen it in a girl's video or whatever. Pretty sure. Videos like forever, sorry. Yeah. Oh, it's pretty. My bug pending. Okay. Let me just do this real quick so it doesn't look stupid. Yeah. But yeah, and what was I saying? Yeah, I was talking about hair. So yeah, if you have have really thick hair, but sometimes it's like weird. It'll be thick one day and then thick and like thin the other. It's weird, but I really don't care because I love my hair. Some people hate their hair and they wish I different, but I don't. I love it. But yeah. Guess I'll do it to this one too. Should I do it? No. Maybe I'll do this. There you go. Yeah. Sorry. Maybe I will do some other thinking, but. So, bye guys for now. I'll make a second video showing you how I do my makeup comparing to this. So bye. Talk to you guys later.